Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this template that you're going to get whenever you purchase the daily journal from Templar Tech. Now, whenever you first open the spreadsheet, there are macros. Understand, yes, there are macros. These macros are very simple macros. There's nothing very complex in there, so if you're worried about something, the only macro code that is in here has to do with how you print the form. So those are the macros. Now, when you first open up the spreadsheet, I want you to notice something, as your computer may have a different printer hooked up with different settings. So whenever you open it up, and it should be in a page break preview mode, you'll have these dark blue lines across the bottom of the page. Now there is an occasion where you'll have a dotted blue line somewhere either here or below, and you just have to make sure you just click on those dotted blue lines and scroll it down to the solid blue. That way the pages will print out correctly. So like this is page 1, this is page 2, and so on down. And you get a few weeks worth with each printing of this spreadsheet. And we have made it very easy for you. All you have to do is at this cell, this is the B2 cell, you put in the date that you want your calendar week to start. In this instance, I had put in 6/29/2020. Everything updates automatically. Your calendars on each one of your pages updates automatically. The dates underneath the day of the week updates automatically. All the way down. So there's nothing else that you have to do. And this is organized in a manner that is similar to the Covey manner of organizing your workday. So it starts at 7 a.m. and you can change that on the settings tab of your start time. And this is a printable sheet for you to write on the paper whenever it's done. So that is the overall goal of this. Also, you have a goals section. So like I am a Christian, so I have Christian goals, academic goals, how many books do I want to read, how much exercise do I want to do. All of that can also be changed in the settings area for each one of the goals, and your planner will automatically update. Once you have the date in that you need, all you have to do is press Control, hold Control down, and click Print, and it'll begin to print your pages. It'll ask you, after it's printed out the first set, did you flip the paper over? It's because the planner assumes that you want two-sided pages for your planner. When you flip the page, you'll have the next one. Now don't worry, all of this has been set up so that the pages will match up correctly in your planner. So that even though this side of the page doesn't have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on it from this side, that's because it knows already that it has to be put on a separate sheet of paper in order for it to come out correctly. Now all you have to do is, according to your printer, flip the paper over, you click the yes button here, and you're ready to go. Now you can use this as many times as possible. And this is a great system. I made this years ago, and I use it every day. And as a bonus, we also have the prayer journal that works very much the same way. Should be set to a Sunday. It says that right here. So we're going to put in 6/29/2020, and everything will update automatically for you. And if you care to have a prayer journal, you can print this out the same way that you printed out the daily planner tab, or you can ignore it. You can ignore it at your leisure. If you have any questions, you feel free to contact me through this website. Thank you.